Welcome to the channel. If you are looking to enhance your exercise routine and achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the top 7 workout bikes that can give your workouts a serious boost. Whether you are short on space or just want an effective workout tool, these bikes are designed to fit a variety of needs and preferences. Let's explore these top picks to find the perfect fit for you. First on our list is the Cyclace Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. This compact and versatile exercise bike is perfect for those who want to incorporate more movement into their daily routine without sacrificing productivity. Its design allows it to fit neatly under a desk, making it ideal for use while walking or watching TV. This under-desk bike is constructed with a steady steel frame, ensuring durability and stability during use. The adjustable resistance levels allow you to tailor your workout intensity, making it suitable for both light and more challenging exercise sessions. Additionally, the non-slip pedals are designed to keep your feet securely in place, enhancing safety and comfort. One of the standard features of these pedal exercisers is its quiet operation. You can pedal away without disturbing others, making it a great option for shared spaces. The LCD monitor tracks time, distance and calories burned, providing you with real-time feedback on your progress. Overall, the Cyclace Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser offers a convenient and efficient way to stay active, especially for those with a busy lifestyle.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have the Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike, an excellent choice for those who need a space-saving option without compromising on functionality. This bike features a foldable design, allowing you to easily store it away when not in use. Its compact size makes it a perfect fit for small apartments or home gyms. The Pooboo bike is built with a steady steel frame and features a comfortable, adjustable seat that accommodates a range of user heights. The bike offers 8 resistance levels, providing a variety of workout intensities to suit different fitness levels. The large, multifunctional LCD display tracks essential workout metrics, including time, speed, distance, and calories burned. Additionally, the bike's smooth, quiet operation ensures you can exercise without disturbing others. The non-slip pedals and built-in foot straps add an extra layer of safety during your workouts. The Pooboo Folding Exercise Bike is designed to deliver a full-body workout with its comfortable seating and adjustable resistance, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. Number 3 on our list is the WENOKER Indoor Cycling Bike. This bike is designed for those who enjoy a high-intensity workout with a professional feel. It features a robust steel frame and a 40-pound flywheel, providing a smooth and stable ride that mimics the feel of outdoor cycling. The WENOKER bike is equipped with an adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing for a customized fit and ensuring maximum comfort during your workout. The bike's resistance system is manually adjustable, letting you easily switch between different intensity levels to match your fitness goals. The built-in LCD monitor tracks time, speed, distance and calories burned, helping you keep an eye on your progress. One of the bike's key features is its quiet operation thanks to the belt-driven mechanism. This allows you to focus on your workout without the distraction of noisy equipment. Additionally, the bike includes a water bottle holder, ensuring you stay hydrated during your exercises. The WENOKER Indoor Cycling Bike is a great option for those seeking a high-quality versatile bike that provides a professional-level workout experience at home. Next is the Caromix Folding Exercise Bike, known for its versatility and user-friendly design. This bike features a space-saving folding mechanism, making it easy to store in compact spaces. Its lightweight construction allows for easy relocation, while its sturdy build ensures stability during use. The Caromix bike comes with a comfortable, adjustable seat and a large, easy-to-read LCD display that provides real-time feedback on your workout metrics. The bike offers 8 levels of magnetic resistance, allowing you to customize your workout intensities to meet your fitness goals. The smooth resistance system ensures a quiet and enjoyable exercise experience. Additionally, the Caromix Folding Exercise Bike includes no-slip pedals with adjustable foot straps, providing a secure and comfortable ride. Its ergonomic design makes it suitable for users of various heights and fitness levels. Whether you are looking for a gentle workout or a more intense session, the Caromix bike provides the flexibility and performance needed to enhance your exercise routine. At number 5, we have JEEKEE Recumbent Exercise Bike. This bike is designed for those who prefer a more relaxed and comfortable workout position. Its recumbent design features a backrest that supports your lower back, making it an ideal choice for users with back issues or those seeking a more comfortable exercise experience. The JEEKEE bike is built with a steady steel frame and features an adjustable seat that accommodates a wide range of user heights. The bike offers 8 levels of magnetic resistance, allowing you to adjust the workout intensity according to your fitness level. The large, multifunctional LCD display tracks essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned. One of the bike's standard features is its quiet operation thanks to the magnetic resistance system. This makes it suitable for use in shared spaces without causing noise disturbances. The JEEKEE recumbent exercise bike is designed to provide a comfortable and effective workout, making it a great option for those seeking a low-impact exercise solution. Number 6 is the DMASUN exercise bike, a high-performance option for those looking for a robust and versatile workout solution. This bike features a heavy-duty steel frame and a 35-pound flywheel, providing a stable and smooth ride. The bike is designed to offer a professional-grade cycling experience at home. The DMASUN bike includes an adjustable seat and handlebars, allowing for a customized fit and ensuring maximum comfort during your workout. The bike's resistance system is adjustable, enabling you to easily switch between different intensity levels to suit your fitness goals. The LCD monitor tracks time, speed, distance, and calories burned, helping you stay on top of your progress. One of the key features of the DMASUN exercise bike is its quiet operation thanks to the belt-driven mechanism. This allows you to focus on your workout without the distraction of noisy equipment. Additionally, the bike includes a water bottle holder and a phone holder, making it convenient to stay hydrated and entertained during your exercise. The DMASUN bike is an excellent choice for those seeking a high-quality, performance-oriented workout bike. Finally, at number 7, we have the YSSOA folding paddle exercise bike. This compact and portable bike is perfect for those who need a space-saving exercise solution. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transportation, making it ideal for small living spaces or home gyms. The YSSOA bike features a steady construction and adjustable resistance levels, allowing you to tailor your workout intensity to meet your fitness goals. The bike's non-slip pedals and adjustable foot straps ensure a secure and comfortable ride. The large LCD display tracks time, distance, speed, and calories burned, providing you with real-time feedback on your workout. Additionally, the YSSOA folding paddle exercise bike is designed for quiet operation, making it suitable for use in shared spaces. Its compact size and ease of use make it a great option for users who want a convenient and effective way to stay active. The YSSOA bike offers a practical and efficient solution for enhancing your exercise routine and achieving your fitness goals. And that wraps up our review of the top 7 workout bikes to boost your exercise routine in 2024. Whether you are looking for a compact under-desk bike, a versatile folding option, or a high-performance indoor cycling bike, these topics have something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Share your favorite workout bikes or any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.